everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. Oh my goodness, look where I went today. Check it out. Yankee Candle Outlet. I only spent $49. I was really proud of myself. I actually went with my mom, and it's Aurora Farms Premium Outlets. I haven't been there in like 10 years, and they had the Yankee Outlet. I'm going to show you first a video I took inside the store so you can see the vastness of candles. So let's do that first. Okay, here is inside the store. As you can see, so many different candles, and a lot of them are older, and they were 4 for $60, which is a great deal. So all the walls are just like this beautiful, colorful, like all the blue ones, all the green ones, all the red ones. I almost got blueberry. I don't know. I actually just couldn't even take in all of these candles. So I actually went to the center of the store where they had the woodwick and the Halloween. I kind of looked around there. They had a lot of good Halloween stuff. But what I really wanted to get, and I did get, was the, check it out, the scent. Oh, they're called Centerpiece. I got a Centerpiece warmer, and then I got the 5 free cups. Because remember, you can see them up here. Remember, I got a ton of the melt cups, so I'm like, you know what? I need a warmer, and then I got 1 candle. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I only spent $49. I was good. Actually, what I found interesting is, for the most part, everything that you get online is pretty much in line with the outlet. Like, these actually weren't any less. I ended up getting this white one because I think this one was how much? $24. I didn't want to get a really expensive one. I didn't need a light up, so I just got the basic scent. What are these called? I keep messing it up. Centerpiece Melt Cup Warmers. So I got the white one because this is going to last, like, you know, through every season. So I got this. And I got 5 free melt cups. Like I said, they're doing the same deal online, but I just really wanted to get one of these. So I got Red Apple Wreath, which I love. I tried to get more Christmas this time because I have a lot of fall. So I got Red Apple Wreath. I got Balsam and Cedar. Oh yeah, that smells so good. I love their Balsam and Cedar. I got Christmas Cookie. These are classic. I love some of the classic Yankee scents. I got Vanilla Cupcake. Oh, yeah. And then I got one fall. I got Spice Pumpkin. So I also, like I said, have all the Halloween and fall up there. So I have a lot of these to actually use. So I'm super excited. That was my goal. And then I just kind of wanted to look around the store. I did get a woodwick. I also got a coupon. So they handed this to me. And it says, meet Balsam and Cedar, which is what I got. Free gift up to $15 value with any purchase. Return to find the perfect holiday treat October 27th to December 1st in store only. So if I go back up there, that'll be cool. Here is the candle that I got. I got one of the woodwicks, which I really wanted. It's funny because I kind of had to stop myself a little bit. The 4 for $60 was a really good deal, but at the same time, I have so many candles at the moment to get caught up in. I just really wanted to get, you know, I got 5 different scents, which was cool, and I didn't want to overspend today, so I was good. But this really caught my eye. It is Apple Basket, Spiced Blackberry, and Pumpkin Butter. This smells so good, and it's one of the Ellipse candles. So I'm gonna do a demo of how these work because they're really fun. I actually got a woodwick from Kohl's the other day. This smells so good. Pumpkin praline, pumpkin butter, and white honey. I love these woodwicks. They're so amazing. Actually, my mother was the one who picked this out. She really wanted a Ellipse candle, so I'm like, yeah, let's get the fall one. They had a couple more that were in the like 4 for $60 range, but again, I was like, be good, be good, be good. It was a little bit overwhelming, honestly. I feel like I have so much Halloween stuff that I didn't feel the need to like buy more Halloween. Again, I was being good. And then I didn't want to go overboard with the 4 for $60 because I was like, I couldn't even decide. Like so many. It was like a wonderland in there, but it was really fun. I think I might head out there again at some point. We used to have a Yankee Candle in our mall, but they closed about a year ago, which is really disappointing because I loved going into Yankee and just kind of looking around and seeing what they had. But I'll be putting some videos up on TikTok, Instagram, and I put one up on YouTube Stories already, just to kind of show you guys what it looks like inside an outlet. So anyway, I'm super excited. I'm going to fire up my melter and I'm going to do some reviews. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.